Hi, I'm Jim Marshall with Sandler Training in Tampa. You've probably noticed that as business continues to ramp up, you may be feeling a need to make up for lost sales opportunities and get in front of as many prospects as you can. But how many of those prospects represent true sales opportunities? Are they really suspects that are willing to meet with you just because they haven't been out to lunch in a while? This is a reminder that perhaps more than ever, you need to be diligent in qualifying your prospects before spending too much time and effort with them, and certainly before presenting them with an idea or a proposal. At Sandler, we know that in order for a suspect to become a viable prospect, they must pass three critical criteria. Number one, they must have pain or an identifiable business problem that you can solve with your product or service. Number two, they must have the resources, money, time, or effort to invest in fixing their problem. And number three, they must be ready, willing, and able to make a decision to move forward with your solution. Too often, salespeople meet with suspects and present their portfolio of services without first determining if those people have a need or the resources to buy. They provide literature and price quotes that those suspects gladly accept. Then they disappear, or worse, shop those solutions to your competitors. We call this unpaid consulting. Take the time to question your prospects and uncover their need, their willingness, and their ability to do business with you. Chances are, you'll save the time and effort it might have taken to present to suspects that had no intention of doing business with you. Until next time, Jim Marshall, Sandler Training in Tampa. Good luck and good selling.